Welcome to Art Lectures. Today, we're exploring Isaac Israel's poignant painting, Portrait of a Wounded KNIL Soldier, created in 1882. This oil on hardboard piece measures approximately 37 centimetres by 23 centimetres and captures a significant yet often overlooked aspect of colonial history. The subject of this portrait is known as Kees Pop, a name given to him after he enlisted in the Dutch Colonial Army, KNIL, at the former slave Fort Elmina in present-day Ghana. His original name remains unknown, though we know his parents were Kwamina and Ekohova. Kees Pop served for 12 years and fought in the Aceh War in Indonesia, a brutal conflict that took place between 1873 and 1874. In the portrait, Kees Pop is depicted during a sick leave in the Netherlands shortly before his return to Africa. He wears a sling and prominently displayed on his uniform are medals, including the Aceh medal, partially hidden under the sling, and the cross for important military operations, adorned with a green-orange ribbon. These medals were awarded to soldiers who participated in the First Aceh campaign, recognizing their contributions and sacrifices. Isaac Israel's attention to detail is evident in the textures and expressions captured in this small yet powerful painting. The double signature, including one on the sling, signifies the artist's personal connection and respect for the subject. The painting not only honours Kees Pop's military service, but also highlights the complex histories of colonial soldiers, their identities, and the roles they played in broader geopolitical conflicts. Thank you for joining us on Art Lectures. Please like and subscribe for more insightful art explorations.